How's it going, folks? It's Joe with Joe's Gaming Electronics, and today we're going to be talking about the Solo 3 wireless, the counterfeit pairs that we've been getting in. Just to show you guys the difference between fake pairs that we get in from repairs. We go through them and identify them as fakes. We'll send them back to the customer, or the real pairs that we saw here. And what's really interesting about the market right now is people are catching on really nicely. These factories that are doing them are getting really clever about the way they match the paints, the way they match the hinges. But what we're going to show you is a difference that's going on the inside of the headphones, along with two quick ways you can identify if you have a fake pair or a real pair. The really easy way to do this is if you take your headphones and you plug them into the micro USB, you download the Beats updater. We'll link it up in our description. And then if your updater can actually register your Beats through the website, then you know you have an authentic pair. The real pair, you connect it to the micro USB, connect it to your computer, and you can register it through the Beats by Dre website. On the fake pair, you cannot do that. So that's the really easy way and the way that you can do this at home. Plug it in, take care of it. The second easiest way would be to go ahead and put them both into pairing mode. When you put these into pairing mode, since the Solo 3s and all third generation products made by Apple have the W1 chip, they'll connect really easily to your device. And because of that, it's really simple to tell if you have a W1 chip inside it, and if you do, there's a really good chance it's a real item. So we'll go ahead and put this into pairing mode. We'll put this into pairing mode by holding the power button. Hold the power button for a few seconds, and then the lights will start flashing. When they do, on your device, you'll see your Solo 3s pop up, and you'll simply connect them. And when you do connect them, that's how you know that you have an authentic pair of Solo 3s. We're going to show you guys a few different things as well. So right here we have the counterfeit pair, and my favorite thing when people say, hey, I have a fake pair, and we get it in and then we tell you that it's a fake pair, you say, oh, but it came in a box and it was new. Of course it's going to be new. So this is the fake pair. It's new, right? Has all these stickers on here. Because it has stickers, that does not mean that you have an authentic pair. Because it comes in a box does not mean you have an authentic pair. What's inside the box is going to identify if you have an authentic pair or not. We're going to look at the first thing, which is the logo. If you look at the logo right here, the B is actually a little shiny, and if you look at the logo here, it's matte. And the fake pair has the matte, and the real pair has the shiny. And it matches the hinges. The hinges are glossy, the hinges are glossy here. If we look at the headbands, the real pair has a light gray beads on top, and the fake pair has this white beads on top. And overall, the two easiest ways is to just use the W1 chip connection and using the website to identify that. My favorite thing to do is put these on the scale and show you guys how to check with the scale. Non-authentic beads use inferior parts, which are not as heavy since they're cheaper. And we're going to go ahead and put this on the scale and show you guys the difference between one and the other. So we'll tear this out, and it's a few ounces, but since we deal with these every day and we ship thousands of these out, it's really easy to identify a fake from a real, and we're going to show you guys here with the weight. So we got the fake pair here, we're going to put it on. I have 7 ounces. And then we'll put this authentic pair one. We have 7.6 ounces. So about 1/6 of an ounce is the difference. It's not super big, but it's just another way to identify if your beats are fake or not. All right, and really the last quick and easy way to tell is if you look at the serial numbers here, the serial numbers will be on both. Both of them have a serial number. But if you look at the one that's authentic, it's very easy to read. It looks like it's almost stamped in there, even though it is printed in. It does look like it's stamped. It's very uniform the way it is. We're going to actually post some pictures in this video so you guys can identify the difference. And the authentic and fake ones both have it. But the fake one is just mimicking a serial number that's within Apple's database. So if you call the serial number in, it may be an authentic serial number, but there just may be 1,000 of them with that same exact serial number. So that's kind of the couple unique features about that. Now what we're going to do is go a little further inside the fake headphones, which are these right here. We're going to tear them down and show you guys what's going on with the fake headphones. So we're just going to take it and snap them right here. So there's the inside of your fake headphones. And if you look right here, here is your green board. That board should look something like this. It's black. Of course, we don't want you to snap in your headphones. We don't recommend doing this because you can't return this back to the vendor if you decide to break it. But this is just a quick way we can show you guys. So the board on the inside here is green, has no technology in it, just typical Bluetooth, and that's right there. And if we take the other side, we're gonna go ahead and break this off. Pop this inside panel off and see what's going on here. So here is the battery. If you look here, this is the fake battery, this is the real battery. Looks like the fake battery is 350 milliamps. The real battery is also 350 milliamps. There's different types. And if we look at the power board is green. The power board should be black. All Solo 3, Studio 3, PowerBeats 3 all have a black PCB, just so you know. So that's that, and then we're gonna do a quick muff test. So we're gonna peel this muff off. You can just get your fingertip underneath and pop right off. It's fake, it's gonna come off very easy. So here is the muff. That's counterfeit. Here is real muff. One quick way to tell if it's real or fake is the counterfeit pairs will have more of a glossy finish on the leather, and the real ones will have more of a matte finish, and it'll be just a better looking muff in general. The material they use is much better. We're gonna take a knife and cut this open. So this is the counterfeit pair, and if you look at the counterfeit pair here, you can actually see right through here. You can see right through it. It's much easier to see if it's a white pair, but you can see right through if you put something behind it. And if you look at the legit pair, there's a lot of padding behind there, and you can't see directly through it. But we're gonna take this fake pair and cut it open. If you look inside here, this foam here is blue. It's a very common foam used. It's very cheap. You'll see a lot of Studio 2 muffs with this really crappy blue foam, and this is a lot of the stuff that fake companies are using because it's the cheapest bill of materials. They want to create it, sell it, and move on. And we'll go ahead and open an authentic muff. What you'll see on the inside is a really nice slow rebound foam, which will be yellow, and some of them use black as well. Depends what factory they're made in. So those are the couple things that we could do to help you guys out. Just identify what is real, what is fake. The counterfeit pair here is fake, and try to do your best to stay to secure websites. We sell thousands of beats, and we sell only authentic product. If you guys need your headphones repaired, if you'd like to purchase some product from us, visit our website, JoesGE.com. You guys can always email us. We're willing to assist you guys. Our email is support@JoesGE.com, or give us a call. Our number is 201-898-5637. We'll link all this up in our description, and hope you guys have a wonderful day. Take care.